Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an article to your reading list on the Wikipedia application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, select an article that you are interested in or that you would like to read. So click on it, and after that you should see that there is this bookmark icon down below, which is the third option. So tap on it, and as you can see, click on the plus icon. So you should create a new list if you don't have any created. So tap on this plus create a new list button down below, and after that you should type in your reading list name, then add a short description, and then click on the create reading list button down below, thereby adding this article to your list. You can check out the added items by clicking on this back icon at the top. Then click on the saved section down below, that's the third one. Here you can synchronize your saved articles, and here you can find the articles that have been saved. So if you tap on it, you will be able to read it. If you want to delete it, all you have to do is sliding to the left side till you find this red rubbish bin icon. So tap on it, click on unsave, and then it will be removed from your list. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.